So if you're watching this video, high chance that your Porsche Macan has thrown a strange check engine light with the code P1025. I've taken the little beauty plate off, and the sensor that I need to replace, while it looks identical to this one, it's underneath. And there's no guarantee that it's going to be fixed. I've never taken this apart before, but my understanding is, let's just zoom out a little, is disconnect, 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 unbolt, disconnect, 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 move that out of the way, and then this manifold, this plastic piece, comes out. Should take it about an hour.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
That sucks, because that means someone else has taken it apart. Oh, when you get the new one. That's right. It's sad.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain.
Just like that, I guess we put it back together. No check engine light. I think it's all tight. Man, that was a lot of drama. Sadly, the part I waited a month to show up was the wrong part. It was a sensor, it looked correct, but when I put it in, the car wouldn't start. And then I took the car apart, put the old one back in, and it seems fine. And I do remember reading in the article that it could just be loose. And maybe it was. The clip was broken. Someone had clearly been in there before, so I don't know what to say. We're just gonna drive it. I drove it around a little bit last night. It was fine. Driving it today. So far, so good. I've put how many miles on it today? How do I do that? Turn it. For my tripometer, trip. Yeah, we drove it 24 miles this morning, so we'll put another 24 on the way back. That's how far it is to take my kid to school. What am I? I'm just such a dum-dum. Oh, sorry about that. Hey, I'm gonna say it's fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, aloha. It's just